come out. What's up guys, it's your boy Qiyi here, and today, as I said in the video which came up about an hour ago, today I'll be reviewing my Qiyi Thunderclap 3x3. It's very loud, but well, it's because I'm not very good at lining up after every movement, so you can hear when it snaps in. But it doesn't matter how loud it is, in my opinion. I just, unless it's something like, I don't know, a Rubik's brand loudness, I'm fine with this noise. But it's pretty easy to do a review on it. I usually learn algorithms with it because it's so much easier to learn algorithms with. And it's about $16 off of the cubicle.us, which is like £10, I think. Doesn't pop very often. I haven't tensioned it yet, but pretty nice. You can do double turns pretty easily. So bam, bam. Yep, you can do pretty easy double turns. M2, U, M2, U2, M2, U, M2. Pretty easy to do. H-perm. I usually test it with H-perm because H-perm is like you twist the middle one and the top one. But what I would say is the sticker is pretty nice. Can't really see it on camera, but I'm gonna do checkers. So the white looks very nice with the yellow. The green looks pretty nice with the blue. The red looks okay with the orange. And yeah, so I think it's a really nice cube for, it's about 52 millimeters. I think it's like 52. I haven't re-stickered it at all or anything. This is just how it came. Comparison to my 6x6, which is 70 millimeters. It's that, so yeah. 6x6. So let's do a solve. Let me just grab my timer. As you can see, stack mat timer. I think I posted that video. Let me turn it on. Scrambled inspection. I'll get up now. Onto F12. So far I'm at 24 seconds. I really do need to get faster. Just need to practice. Oh, looks like I've had a slight corner twist there. Don't know why the corner was twisted. 47 seconds. 47,708. So that was a solve with my measurements. Don't know why I had a corner twist. One of them was like, if I just twist it back to how it was. It was like that, so facing away and facing, which isn't the case. So I had to spin it so that it was right, and then I feel like that this is a pretty nice speed cube if you don't want to spend much money. Well, too much money. God. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Doesn't pop really. Let's look inside. As you can see, if I just pop out an edge piece as well, and I'll just pop out that whole side. If you look, it's got a anti-pop on the inside. You can see around the edges. That's the core. So yeah, that's that inside, and I don't know how to. Yeah, so that's the Qiyi Thunderclap. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay cubing.